Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Chemistry Era. This is Anil. Today we are going to learn very important concept that is rate of a reaction. Let us try to understand by taking a simple example. Let us consider a simple equation where A gives rise to B. I think you know that A is the reactant and B is the product. As the time proceeds, the quantity of A gradually decreases, whereas the quantity of B gradually increases. In other words, concentration of A gradually decreases and concentration of B gradually increases. That means with respect to time, there is a change in concentration. This change in concentration per unit time is called as a rate. So rate is defined as a change in concentration per unit time. In other ways, we can define the rate as a decrease in concentration of reactants or increase in concentration of products per unit time is called as a rate. So rate is defined as a change in concentration per unit time or decrease in concentration of reactants or increase in concentration of products per unit time is called as a rate. Mathematically, a small change is represented by d by dt. Here we have taken T because we are mentioning the change in concentration per unit time. So we are going to indicate as a d by dt. d by dt. d by dt indicates a small change with respect to time. For example, let us try to write the rate equation for this equation, which is also called as a rate equation. Minus dA by dt is equal to dB by dt. Why we have kept the negative sign? Negative sign indicates a decrease in concentration. So minus dA by dt is equal to dB by dt. What is this square bracket indicates? The square bracket indicates the concentration of A and concentration of B. This rate is depending on certain important factors. Now let us try to understand factors that affect rate of reaction. Now let us try to understand factors affecting rate of reaction. There are four factors which affect rate of reaction. First one, concentration. Second one, temperature. Third one, pressure. And fourth one is a catalyst. So there are four factors which affect rate of reaction. They are concentration, temperature, pressure and a catalyst. First, let us try to understand the effect of concentration on rate of reaction. As the concentration of reactants increases, rate of reaction also increases, because when more number of molecules are there, number of collisions will be more, automatically rate of reaction also more. So with increase in concentration of reactants, rate of reaction also increases. Increase in concentration of reactants increases rate of reaction. Increase in concentration of reactants increases rate of reaction. When you increase the concentration of reactants, rate of reaction also increases. Second one is temperature. With increase in temperature, rate of reaction also increases, because when the temperature is increased, energy of the reacting molecules increases, so they can cross the energy barrier more easily, or in other ways they get threshold energy. So we can say that with increase in temperature, rate of reaction also increases. Experimentally it was observed that for every 10 degrees centigrade rise of temperature, rate of reaction either it will be doubled or tripled. So we can write as a increase in temperature increases rate of reaction. Third important factor is pressure. When reactants are present in solid state or liquid state, pressure will not have any effect on rate of reaction. But when reactants are present in gaseous phase, with increase in pressure, rate of reaction also increases. The reason is very simple. When the pressure increases, all the molecules get closer to each other. So automatically number of collisions increases. So rate of reaction also increases. I repeat. When reactants are present in solid state or liquid state, pressure do not have any effect on rate of reaction. But when reactants are present in gaseous phase, with increase of pressure, rate of reaction also increases, because all the molecules come closer to each other. So number of collisions increases. So rate of reaction also increases. So we can write as a increase in pressure increases rate of reaction. Last and final factor, that is a catalyst. Before going to learn about effect of catalyst on rate of reaction, first let us try to understand what is catalyst. Catalyst is the third substance which alters rate of reaction without itself consumed in the reaction. Means catalyst may not convert into product, but catalyst will alters the rate of reaction. Now let us try to understand how it alters the rate of reaction. The presence of catalyst in a reaction decreases the energy barrier. See, let us try to draw a graph so that we can understand much better. These are the reactants and these are the products. This is the energy barrier. In order to convert reactants into products, a reactant has to cross this energy barrier. When you doesn't use the catalyst, but when you use the catalyst, see the graph. This is without catalyst. This is with catalyst. When catalyst is used, the energy barrier becomes very less. Height of energy barrier becomes very less. So reactants can easily convert into products. So the presence of catalyst increases rate of reaction by decreasing the height of energy barrier. I hope you have understand the concept of rate of reaction and factors affecting rate of reaction. If you understand this concept, please give a big thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.